Right, here we come to the elevators at the Sheraton Hotel by 2 Hanover Square in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. I know I filmed this elevator before, but look at this right here. Look at this. They literally brighten up the elevators now. The elevator cabs, the lights in the elevator cab have since been brightened up. They literally brighten up the elevator cabs. And I don't mean to get in the elevator too quickly, mainly because of the music playing, and I don't want to be drawing a lot of attention. Surprisingly, they're unlocked. Please pray that we don't stop on the way down. Still got the original Westinghouse door interlock. These used to be Westinghouse elevators, and it got modernized by Otis with Series 2. They literally brighten up the elevators. Full non-stop ride, nice. You going up?
Yes.
What floor would you like?
6, please. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you. You do the same.
You're welcome. All right, now we can get a full detailed cab view. I really want to show the elevator cab. Still the same exact cab. Look in the mirror. Hi. A perfect view in 4K mode. Look at that. Your original Westinghouse door interlock, including the door track. And look at this flooring. It creaks. It's very hard to find elevator cabs with this handcrafted looking wood, because a lot of times when they renovate the hotel, the cabs get redone, and the new ones just don't even look that good as the old one. The floor needs help. I mean, look at the floor. Look at it. That flooring seriously is creaking so obnoxiously. These are your view of the fixtures. And we're literally going all the way up again. Looks like we're going all the way up. Or maybe not. Well, almost. Coming down? What floor would you like?
A.
Which one?
A.
Oh, I think this is in the way. There you go. Number 1. And don't forget this vacuum. Have a great day. can care less if we stop because I got my video. Y'all have a great rest of the day. All right, yeah, the music is playing very loudly on the second floor, which is why I started from the first level, but here's one last view of this elevator cab. Look at this, look how beautiful it is. What do you guys think of this beautiful looking elevator cab? Well, that was a ride on the elevator with a Brightened light, so there it goes. And that is going to be it.